Alright guys, we're doing a 23-24 Prizm Basketball Blaster, Random Teams Box Break 14. Thank you for joining in. Thank you guys again for your support of Firehand Cards. We appreciate you guys very much. New side action for this blaster box. 2 lucky participants will win their way into 22-23 Immaculate Basketball Full Case Random Teams 1. Alright, roll the die. We'll determine how many times we randomize the list of participants and teams for the box break here. After that, we'll open up the box, show off the goods, and then back to the randomizer for 3 additional clicks to determine who wins the Immaculate spots. If you missed out on this box, don't sweat. We just posted the next one up to the store with another 2 spots up for grabs. Excuse me. Here we go, guys. Good luck. 3 clicks. Trader top, Insane Collectibles bottom. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, the A-Train top, Ben Rasa at the bottom. Blazers top, Wizards bottom. 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Knicks top, Blazers bottom. BC Pacers, Ben Rasa, Hornets Blazers, B Mark Nuggets Kings, Box Break Jazz, CB Mac G Lakers, DCC Mavericks and Magic, eBay Fantasy Raptors, Ed Petty Hawks Spurs, El Jorge Warriors Sixers and Bulls, Foxco Marine Grizzlies, Had One Too Many Nets, Insane Collectibles Wizards Timberwolves, Justin Suss Matt Heat, M Lindsay Clippers, Greg Pistons Pelicans, Sheena Ina Suns, TGY Chelms Bucks, DA Train Knicks Cavaliers Rockets, Treater Celtics Tuyo Thunder. All right, here we go. Bradley Beal Dominance, Jordan Hawkins Emergent, Duncan Robinson Ice, Jarris Walker Rookie, Green Rookie of Toumani Camara for the Blazers, Bilal Coulibaly Instant Impact. There's an Ice Rookie of Kobe Buffkin for the Hawks, Brad Petty, Vucevic Rookie, Giannis Dominance, Cade Cunningham Silver, Russell Westbrook Ice. Alright, so a couple of color rookies. Kobe Buffkin Ice to Toumani Camara Green. Green's available in all retail versions, and the Ice parallels are exclusive to this blaster box configuration. Alright, moment of truth. Back to the randomizer. 3 additional clicks of the randomizer. After click number 3, the owners are the first. 2 teams on the list. Win their way into the Immaculate case. Good luck, guys. Let's get it. 1, 2. Really? It's going to hold up on me now? There's 2. 3. Celtics, Timberwolves are the teams. Pull up your list here. The Celtics, Treater, congrats. Little last spot mojo right there. Last spot mojo. And the Timberwolves, Insane Collectibles, a little first spot mojo. Alright, that's how that one goes. Alright, break 15 is in the store right now. Another opportunity for you guys to win your way into that Immaculate case. Thank you guys for joining in on this box, and congrats to our participants winning their way into the Immaculate. Until next one.